Hello everyone, this is Charlotte and welcome to my channel. I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already and activate the notifications. Here I share content for people like you who want to learn Spanish. In this video I'm going to talk about the meaning of the verb to be, in Spanish of course, because it's entirely different from how it's used in English. And in Spanish we have two different verbs. How is that? Let's find out.
In Spanish, the literal meaning of the verb to be is ser and estar. The use and the meaning of these verbs differ from how they are used in English. But then, how to differentiate between the two? When and how should we use them? ¿Cómo diferenciar el uno del otro? ¿Cómo y cuándo usarlos? Well, here are some tips to distinguish between them and understand when and how to use each one. Associate the verb ser with indicating that something is or something or someone is. This refers to the essence of an animal, an item, or a person, permanent aspects. So these are some aspects that will help you identify when to use the verb. We use it to refer the identity, the profession, nationality, or the origin, time, date, physical traits, or defining characteristics. In fact, I have published a course on Udemy when I delve deeply into this topic. I will leave you the link in the description so you can take an advantage of the limited time discount. I only ask you to read it. Now let's look at some examples. Ejemplos ser. Examples with the verb ser. Identity. Yo soy Charlotte. I am Charlotte. Profession. Ellos son abogados. They are lawyers. Nationality or the origin. Él es de Filipinas. He is from Philippines. Time, date. Hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Physical traits or defining characteristics. El loro es verde. The parrot is green. These examples help us better understand how and when to use the verb ser. Now let's look at the verb estar. So, unlike ser, this refers to temporary aspects, not as the permanent as the essence of the example, such as the sky is blue. So we can think of these verbs as relating to temporary stays or location to clearly understand when and how to use it. These are relevant points to consider to differentiate them. Emotions, physical temporary conditions, location, present progressive or progressive present, presente progresivo in Spanish. Let's take a look at some examples. Emotions. Estoy estresada. I'm stressed. This, of course, won't be a permanent state. Tomorrow, maybe I might simply not be stressed. So it's just a temporary state. Physical temporary conditions. Está lloviendo en el sur de la ciudad. It's raining in the south of the city. Location. Estamos en el parque. We are in the park. Present progressive. Estoy aprendiendo español. I'm learning Spanish. That's all for now. I hope this explanation and these tips help you better understand the use of these two commonly used verbs.